Here we are. What day is it, Alan?
What day is it? It's Sunday the, I don't know, what, 12, 13?
I think it's the 13th.
13?
Well, a year ago today, we were doing the exact same thing in the exact same location. This is Cooking with Snowbikes, episode 1. And I have a surprise for everyone. This here is from Cooking with Snowbikes last year. Found it in my freezer. I have no idea what's in here. Been cooking for about an hour. If you haven't learned by now, about an hour is the cooking time for anything you cook on a snowbike. Gonna unwrap it here. Double wrap is key. Oh, it's like a little bit moist. I should never use that word moist. No one likes that word. Here we are. So again, this was in the freezer. It's from last year. What is it? Looks like there's some cheese and beef. I'm gonna pass the phone because I can't eat and film. Cooking with Snowbikes from last year. Oh, she's greasy. That's good. Look at that. Doesn't have any crispy though. Tune in for many.